What is it? Dropshipping is basically an easy way to start an online business. You buy a product for cheap and sell it for a higher price. You fulfill orders from a third party like AliExpress and have it shipped directly to your customers. You don't have any inventory or ship items directly, meaning a low risk business as you don't have to buy any inventory up front. How does it work? Firstly, you would need a product to sell. Once you have a product in mind, you would source it from AliExpress. When you have a product and a supplier, you're ready to make your website. For this, the best platform is Shopify. You don't need a tech background, and it makes everything like orders and website design extremely simple to manage. Now you have everything set up in the back end and front end. All you have to do now is run some ads. Don't worry, it's really not as hard as everyone makes it seem. Some platforms are Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram. And that's it. You're ready to make some sales. Now I'm just gonna say some common questions. Do I need a business license? For starting, no, you don't need a business license. Any age restrictions? For Shopify and PayPal, you do need to be 18 or over. However, just make them under your parents' information and you're good. Before you ask, yes, dropshipping is completely legal, so don't worry. And that's the basic rundown on dropshipping. I'm going to be posting a lot on this channel, tips and tutorials, really going into depth to grow your business to multi-figures. So hit the subscribe button and follow my socials to keep up. And comment down below what you want to see next so I can help you guys out.